hot. It's like, hey.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are joined by a very special guest, my best friend in the whole wide world, my maid of honor, one of two, because Brooke was there too. I had two maid of honors. I am the luckiest guy in the world. Anyway, Alana is here today to do a full New Year's Eve transformation in honor of tonight being the big night. It's actually 12:06, so this is officially... It's officially New Year's Eve.
Yay.
So we're filming the day it's going up. That's kind of impressive.
Go us!
I'm awesome. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing this beautiful, bold, gold glitter look with a fabulous red lip. Obviously not my first choice. I was going more for a vampy red, but I got overruled by the one who makes the decisions.
Hi.
So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week, and that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so we did prep the skin already off camera with the Vitamin Rich Focus. She doesn't want to focus. Okay. With the Tatcha Silk Canvas and the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And I took some of the NARS concealer just to set down her lids. We're going to start with foundation. Becca SkinLove. They can't even see me. This is definitely new. It's a lot of foundation, but that's okay.
Oh my god.
I mean, I go in full coverage. You don't. And I will have already introduced you in the intro, so they're going to know who you are already. It's Inception. Every time I do that, I'm like, I said this in the intro, but I haven't filmed the intro yet, and I do this all the time.
You do. You said that with Sam.
I did, and it's totally true, because, like, I am totally, like, I'm going to say this. And then...
What if you don't?
In that video with Sam, I didn't. I don't remember what it was, but I said, I'm going to make sure to remind you of this, and I forgot to.
And I feel like you also said you were going to put stuff in the links.
I used to do that all. I'm pretty good about it now.
Okay.
Because I'm pretty good about linking, but... No.
So if he says he's going to link something, I'm going to make sure he does it.
Yep. So we're going to ignore the tan, and we're going to ignore how pale she looks, because she literally just got off a flight from Jamaica, like...
Hours ago?
Hours ago. So we're going to pat that out a little bit more, but I am going to take some of the cream blush from the Natasha Denona palette. We're going to add a little blush to the cheeks first.
On the beauty blender.
On the beauty blender.
I can't help but laugh. Sorry.
That's okay. And we're going to be taking Patrick's powder.
Which is in such a pretty package.
It is. I'm going to link up there the full review I did on this. And she'll make sure I do. Look up. As I mentioned in that review, I'm a little more oily, so I can't take this everywhere. She is not nearly as oily as I am, so this powder on her is going to be super flattering. Eyes down. Alright, you're looking a little sculpted because your cheekbones don't even need bronzer or contour, but we're going to put it in anyway. I'm going to be taking the Smashbox HoliDaze contour and bronze palette for this. So we're not going to be doing a whole lot on the face with this because you really don't need it.
Especially because my sunburn is like my contour right now.
We canceled all that out. We're full coverage in here. She can't really see herself too well. She's pretty far away. Although she's wearing her contacts, so...
That doesn't help anymore.
Chin up. Now the blush is showing through, so we don't need too much more, but I am going to take a tiny bit more because I know you are a fan of blush. You like a rosy cheek. And we're going to go in with the first layer of setting spray because we don't want to be a powdery bitch up in here. We're going to highlight the face. So I'm going to be taking...
I feel like my eyes are going to move. What did you do?
I dropped something. I'm going to take Birch from the Anastasia Sultry palette. And we're just going to lightly define the crease. I always complain about how little lid space I have.
Yeah,
I'm going to
shut
keep
your
my
hole.
mouth shut from now on.
Yeah. You don't even know.
I'm going to take a little bit of Bloom. We're just going to add a touch more warmth. Because you guys can't see me, but you saw me in the intro. I went very like cool tone and silver. She's going very warm tone and like gold for this look. And we're going to be playing around. I totally just dug my nail into the black shade. And we're going to go into this shade right here, Dystopian. We're going to give us a little bit of brown smoke on the outer corner.
Your mother.
Your mother.
Your big fat mama. And your brother-in-law. And your next door neighbor's dogs.
Oh, we should watch that.
We should watch that.
We're going to watch Spice World tomorrow. Rouse up. We're feeling smoky. We know her. So we want gold. And to amp it up, we're going to take a tiny bit of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Midnight Cowboy. Because it is never New Year's Eve without glitter.
I love me some glitter here for Halloween.
She wore this tutu that she made.
No, somebody else wore it.
You both had them.
Mine didn't have sparkly on it.
Oh, well.
Only hers did.
You brought glitter. I think I'm still getting out of my couch.
It's probably still in his couch.
And I've moved twice since then.
And we had to get the confetti out of your couch.
Oh, that was a much different type of glitter.
At least that was big.
Rouse up.
You could see that.
I just remember the night before my wedding, or 2 nights before, having glitter all over the floor.
Because we had a popper. And it wound up mostly in my hair. Because Christian didn't do it in the right direction.
Alright, open your eyes and look up. We're just going to add a little bit of brown. I'm just going to tilt you down a little. Look up. Okay, so we're just going to quickly pop off and go throw on some mascara and lashes, and we will be right back. So lashes are on. We went with the Christina Wisps from, they're actually on Amazon. It's like 12 bucks for 6 pairs, so it's super affordable. We are on Brett's channel, so we're going to amp up the glow with a little bit of the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I'm going to take a little bit on the cheeks and then a touch on the inner corner.
Now I'm doing all the blinking.
You can blink. Your lashes are on.
I know.
Turn. Oh, the face looks so wet. That's what she said. All I hear is Mac in the background purring.
Even the fact that I can like feel the lashes makes me feel like super glam.
I mean,
like knowing that they're there.
I love the feeling of lashes. The only thing better than the feeling of wearing lashes is the feeling of removing lashes. Look up. Oop. Look up one more time. I think I want to go for like a glossy.
I don't know what color this is.
I pulled out a bunch of greens before.
Oh my god, my eyes bugged out of my head.
You don't want to wear greens?
She doesn't. And that is the finished look. So once again, thank you very much to Alana for joining us today. Make sure to let us know down below, once again, what are you doing for New Year's? Because you know we are going to be sitting our asses on the couch.
Doing nothing.
Watching Spice World.
Yeah, because that's what we decided.
Because that's what we decided we were going to do. And that's about it. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.